Hello kids! In this time, I will tell you an interesting story that is definitely not to be missed. The title of the story is The Consequence of Wasteful Life. One day there was a mother. She went to the market to shop, not forgetting the mother bought the favorite milk of her two children, Siska and Rani. The mother bought 20 boxes of milk, which means that one child will get 10 boxes of milk. When she came back to home, the mother put the milk in the refrigerator and said to her children, "Dear, I buy some milk for you. You can drink this milk, but don't spend it too quickly. And each of you get 10 boxes of milk." After school, Siska and Rani were very thirsty because the weather outside was very hot. Both of them took the milk to drink together, but Siska took 2 boxes of the milk at one time, while Rani took 1 box of milk. "Siska, why do you take 2 boxes of milk at one time?" Rani asked. Siska replied, "Let it be, Rani. This milk is mine, and Mom won't be angry if I take 2 boxes of the milk at one time." In a day, Siska always takes 2 boxes of milk to drink at one time. Siska's milk has run out in less time than 1 week, while Rani's milk is still there. One morning, Siska was confused, looking for her milk, and she said, "Where is my milk? Is it running out? But why is Rani's milk still there?" Because she couldn't find her milk, Siska cried. Hearing Siska crying, Mother and Rani approached to Siska. "Why are you crying, Siska?" Mom asked. Then Siska replied, "My milk has run out, Mom. Why is Rani's milk still a lot?" "Don't cry, Siska. I still have some milk. Here, you can drink my milk," Rani said. Then Mom told to Siska, "Siska, every time you drink your milk, you take 2 boxes at one time. That means you drink the milk too much. I have told you, you can drink it, but don't be too wasteful to spend it." Hearing the explanation from her mother, Siska realized her actions. Siska promised to learn to live frugally and she will never repeat it again. From the story above, there is a moral value that can be taken. We must live frugally and should not be extravagantly, because if we live extravagantly, we will regret it in the future. Okay kids, how's the story above? Interesting, right? Do you want to know what the other stories will be presented? We will meet in the next story. Goodbye.